I'll be teaching you on how to clone yourself in videos. Okay, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to use masking, which is how to clone yourself in a video. Now, before going into the video proper, you need to create your script. Yes, you need to create your script because you are going to be engaging in a dialogue conversation where you have to talk, to yourself, and you reply yourself. You know how it works for clone video. So you have to create your clip. Okay, you have to create your script and pay attention to the timing. Know when to pause, when to reply, when to pause. For me, I actually do a countdown in my mind. I can say, okay, when I talk at first, I can do a countdown, as to when I reply myself, and I'll know when to speak again and when to pause again to do a countdown to know when I'll reply myself again. So when I switch to the other role, I will know when to, take a pause and do a countdown to know when I'm speaking on the other role and when to reply. I hope you get it. So you create your script, you know when to talk in this row and when to keep quiet in this row, when to talk in the other row and when to keep quiet on the other row. So when you're through, you shoot your clip, you shoot your video. So yes, I've shot my video already, so let's go into the editing purpose. So to do that, you click on your new project. Okay, so you select your video. So let's work with this. Okay, so when you're through clicking on your video, you just click on add. Now a video is here. Now to remove the noise from a video, you can click on it and just flip through. You click on it and you can flip through to remove noise. Okay, you can flip through to remove noise and you can click on the mark sign there, so you can see our video. I'm going to play it at the end of the video because I'm actually using mic. Okay, so now you've inserted one video. When you have a dialogue conversation, you can decide to clone 3 videos, you can decide to clone 2 videos. So the first thing to do is insert the first video and you go to your overlay. You can see overlay there. You click on your overlay and click on add overlay and you click on the next video. So I'll just click on the next video and click on add and click on add. Now this is the video, so I can reduce it. Can you see that I can zoom it? So you just zoom it to fit on the screen. Okay, it's fitted on the screen. So now you click on it, you clicked on the video you inserted through overlay. Okay, so you click on it and you screw to where you find mask. Can you see there? So you click on mask. Okay, please on your data. Okay, so you click on mask. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so we actually have different styles here. But for this we'll be using flip. Okay, you have the film strip and you have the circle, the rectangle and all that, but for this you are using flip. So all you have to do is click on the flip. Okay, and this line will display like this for you. So all you have to do is place your hand on the screen and just turn it. Okay, you just have to turn it. Place your hand on the screen and turn it and just drag a little. Don't make it too faint. You can see it's a little bit faint, so don't make it too faint and just drag it. Can you see that? Yeah. So we're done. You click on the mark sign. Okay, it's as simple as this. Honestly, it's as simple as this. Let's drag this down somewhere here. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So let's play it. Let's see. Now before that, you can go to the end of your and check if the video, you delete this, check if they are both on the same line. Okay, you can see that this is not on the same line, so one video is up and the other is still there. So all you have to do is just click and drag a little. Okay, and drag a little and make sure they are both on the same line. You can see now they are both ending together. Okay, so let's play this video. Let's increase the volume. Okay, let's increase the volume. Okay, so let's play this video.
Hey, you look like me. Excuse me, why won't I look like you? I am you and you are me. If you say so.
Okay, so this is how to clone yourself in a video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, comment and share our videos. Don't stop watching. I say you value DJ Consult, and if you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button and of course the notification bell to get our videos whenever we post them. Thank you for watching.